Is money truly an illusion? Because very few people who I know that works for money is living the life that they want to live. Here's what I mean. So the other day I'm online and I'm watching this video on TikTok. And there's a woman on TikTok literally in tears, bawling. She has 2 degrees. One is a master degree. Makes $80,000 a year, but she still feels poor. After I watched this video, we all know how the algorithm on TikTok works. The algorithm follows you. The more interest you show in a particular topic, the longer I stayed online, I kept getting a bunch of videos of people talking about they feel trapped financially. They got a degree in this. I've talked to attorneys. I've talked to doctors who said they feel trapped financially. Like I've talked to people who society deems as successful, who they're just broker at a higher level. So when I did my live about is money an illusion, very few people who I've met, especially on my side of the fence, because I work with people and people come to me when they are trying to figure their money solutions out. Very few people lives and works for money are living the life they want to live. So my question is, have you been lied to?